Today I was so is anybody here familiar with Cloudflare?
I'm familiar with it.
Okay, so anyways, Cloudflare is like just a way for you to number one, it's a thing you put onto your website address. So let's say your website address is mypestcontrol.com, right? You basically put like a wrapper around that address for mypestcontrol.com to speed up your website as well as add additional security, right? So what I usually do is for all of my sites, I block all traffic outside of the US, right? So this allows me to prevent some easy forms of spying. You can obviously use a VPN to try to bypass that, but allows basically blocking all foreign forms of spying into the sites. And then as well, there's additional like security things I like to throw in there. Now, when you look at the interface for this thing, it's a little bit complex. It's like learning Google Ads for your first time. It's like learning, the Facebook market, the Facebook ads system the first time. It's a little bit complicated. So what I said is, I went to Claude, and I basically developed a connection to from Claude to Cloudflare. And basically all I say is, hey, Claude, add this additional IP address into my system, right? Or like, for example, I don't want to block myself. So right now I'm in Brazil. So I'm blocking myself from entering my own site. So now, because I have this connection between the AI and my whole like security system, I just tell the AI, hey, um, add this IP address of Leo in Brazil to my exceptions list, right? So basically, all you're doing is you're connecting any system you want, like literally any system you want, to the AI, and then you just chat with it like a human person, and then it instantly becomes your employee. So not only can you generate images with it, not only can you generate like website pages, not only can you generate like keywords, but you can also get it to do things within your systems as well. So this is how literally like these are things you have to learn over time, but take a system, take like the AI, and then basically like ask the AI, hey, how do I connect you, Claude or ChatGPT, with this thing to do things for me, right? And it'll literally guide you. It'll tell you, I need this API key, I need this authentication, I need this, and this, and this. And you basically provide it to the AI, and it'll basically program the whole connection for you. And then from then on, moving forward, you can even like program it to connect to your Facebook ads. You can even connect it to your Google ads and tell it, hey, you know what? Today I want to program myself a very quick pest control campaign, right? You just tell Claude, create for me a pest control campaign, and use generic keywords, and then target only these zip codes. And then Claude will simply go in, connect with Google Ads, for example, and then do it all for you. And all you're doing is like you're having a conversation with it as if it was like basically your employee. That's how advanced it can get. Obviously, it takes a little bit of time to understand how that works, how it connects, all that stuff. But if you can get to that point, it's incredible. So I really recommend that everybody tries to learn how to connect the AI that they're using, their favorite AI system, to the thing that they want to kind of manipulate at the same time.